Christmas is almost here, and if you need ideas, I got you right here in this cup. Y'all already know Thanksgiving hasn't happened yet, but we've got 33 days left until Christmas, and I am excited and ready to give everybody ideas. If you're an adult and you need ideas for what to give a teen, if you're a teen and need ideas for what to give a teen, or if you're a teen and you need ideas for what to ask for, don't worry, because I got you. And this video is gonna be really fun.
Nope.
So I'm Gracie Laine if you're new here, and let's fill up this cup with some hot chocolate and get some Christmas cookies and start the ideas. This cookie is huge, and so the reason this cookie has such a big bulge is because there's an Oreo in the middle of a chocolate chip cookie. So this cookie is super filling and very unhealthy, but if you want the recipe, it'll be down in the description, and it's really good.
The flavor, oh my God, it's so real.
And now let's start the video. So the first category of what you as a teen can give to other teens is stuff that's more like memorable, and can, like, you know, be kinder. So like homemade gifts, cards, making food and giving people food, giving clothes that you already had, or like other reusable items like makeup, like mascara or an eyeliner. Those things are less than $20. Themed gift baskets, those can be really cute. You can put like blankets and have them themed by color, themed by a movie show, themed by like, oh my gosh, we're such good friends, we're besties, themed from a movie. All these little cute little baskets. Phone cases, AirPod cases, iPod cases, Apple Pencil cases, any type of case, Apple Watch bands, like those things, really cute, and you can always be like, oh my gosh, my friend got me that, and it's really sweet. And like alarm clocks that are really funny. The alarm clocks that are like scream at you, or the alarm clocks that literally like start moving, those things can just be like cute little gifts to give your friends that they'll enjoy and actually be able to use. Okay, next we're gonna move on to gift ideas for someone who's like not close. Like if you are someone, you're not close to a teen, you're not sure what to get them, I've got these like little things you can give. Gift cards, but like very generic gift cards, like gift cards to Amazon, gift cards to Target, but just not like something super specific in case, like, you know, they want to use it as something generic. Like Amazon, you can always use those. Food gift cards like Chick-fil-A, then little foods like Nutella, Takis, like junk food that people like, you can give that. You can also give little stocking stuffers, but I feel like stocking stuffers are more personalized. So the stocking stuffer ideas is like nail polish. You can give candy, like if they like chocolate, give them chocolate. If they like hard candy, like those disgusting strawberry thingies. I mean, some people like them, but I think those are done. No. There's lip glosses, shoelaces, those can all go in the stockings. Midliner pins, I think these are really cute, or flare pins, but like midliner pins, super cute. They can help you take your notes, and I would really like those to just like journal. Screen protectors for a device. Double and AAA batteries, because everyone always needs double or AAA batteries. Hair ties, or something you can use for your hair that's not like a product, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's like something that, like, if you have straight, curly, short, long hair, you can still use. Cute masks, like face masks is what I'm talking about, not like face masks. You know, like the Corona masks. I don't know what you want to call them. Face masks. Jade roller things that you can roll on your face. I don't know if they actually work, but it's like a little thing. Cute little succulent plants to decorate your room with. Reusable straws. Chapsticks, like from Chapstick or Carmex or Glossier, like those things. And wireless chargers, or just any charger, like the cord, the block, the brick, or whatever you call it, and then like the cord, or those like things, the portable chargers, so you can always have it like with you in your bag and charge your phone on the go. Those are really good stocking stuffers. So now that we've done what you can give if you're a teen, or what you can give and you like don't know the person, or like a little stocking stuffer, now we can move on to stuff, ideas for materialistic things to ask for this year. At the top of the list I have clothing, because clothing, like you gotta wear clothes, so yeah.
Cut the cameras.
Okay guys, I'm not about to make y'all sit here and listen to me talk about stuff forever, but don't get me wrong, I do have over 150 different ideas to ask for Christmas, but if you just want a list, you can go look at my Pinterest at Gracie Laine and you'll find ideas. But here's 10 good ideas though: a hammock chair for your room, signs, an electric toothbrush to ask to go skydiving, a floor-length mirror, a nebula projector, a face spin brush to clean your face, midliner pins, Nike Air Max 200s, and a bonus is a phone printer for your Polaroids.
That was quite a show, very entertaining.